Welcome to Excel Master TZ channel, where you will learn different functions and formulas in Excel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to master the SUMIF function in Excel. You will cover the basic syntax of the function as well as advanced tips and tricks for using it effectively in various scenarios. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced Excel user, this video will help you improve your data analysis skills and make the most of the SUMIF function. Yes, I'm going to teach you how to use SUMIF function. As you can see, this is our formula. Yes, I have data in column A, I have data in column B, I have data also in column C. I want to sum up the value in column B, which correspond to this range in column A, and which is equal or exactly to data in column in cell C2. Also, I will sum up the value in B, which is equal to Singida, which is equal to Mbeya, and which is equal to Songwe as shown. Yeah. First, enter equal sign, then write SUMIF, then go to the range, this region, comma. I want to select in this range, I want to select Dodoma, comma. So I will sum up from my range, I will sum up the data which correspond to, I will sum up the data in column B which corresponding to Dodoma, or which is equal to Dodoma, and I will review other regions. Then this one. After that, because this is my range, when I drag, I don't want to move, so I must close by using $sign. I must close by using $sign. I will close by using $sign. Then click enter. After that, drag. Yes, for example, I have this data in Dodoma. I have 100 also Dodoma. I have this one also, I have Dodoma. When you sum up the value in this column which corresponded to the region Dodoma is equal to this one. Also, the value in the sum up of data which corresponded to the Singida is equal to this. Please like, share and comment. Also subscribe in order to get the next video. Thank you for watching this video.